In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files from Google Drive via WhatsApp. We'll walk through each step, making sure you're comfortable with the process from start to finish. To begin, you'll need to head over to Google Drive and log into your account. This is the portal where all your files are stored, and you'll be able to access and share them with ease once you're logged in. Once you're in Google Drive, the next step is to locate the file or folder you'd like to share. It's important to select the right content, as this is what you'll be sending out via WhatsApp. So browse through your drive until you find what you're looking for. When you've identified the file or folder, you'll move forward by either right-clicking on it if you're using a desktop, or tapping the three vertical dots if you're on a mobile device. This action will reveal a menu of options related to the file you've selected. From this menu, look for the Get Link or Copy Link option. Clicking on this will bring up a dialog box where you can adjust access settings. Under General Access, you'll notice two primary options, Restricted and Anyone with a Link. Selecting Restricted means only people you've specifically invited via email can access the file. On the other hand, anyone with the link allows anyone who has the link to open it without needing to sign in. Besides selecting who can access the file, you can also decide what they can do with it. You have three permission levels to choose from. Viewer, which allows users only to view the file. Commenter, which enables them to leave comments, and editor, which grants permission to make changes to the file. Once you're satisfied with your access and permission settings, simply click Done. This confirms your choices and saves them, making your link ready to share. Now with your link copied, it's time to share it through WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your preferred device and navigate to the chat window where you want to share the file. It could be an individual chat, a group conversation, or even a status update if you want to reach multiple contacts. Paste the link into the message box and hit send. Those who receive your link will be able to access the file in accordance with the permissions you've set. And there you have it, a straightforward way to share your Google Drive files via WhatsApp, providing a seamless experience for you and your recipients.